What's good, what's good, what's good? So to start off this look, I'm going to be using the color Daddy and Colourpop Super Shock Shadow, stamping that onto my crease and curving that out towards the tip of my brows. Next, I'm going to be taking MAC's 221 brush and I'm going to be blending that out into my transition area even more. And I'm just going to make sure that the lines are nice and diffused and that it's kind of blown out so that there are no harsh lines. Sometimes I do like to stamp colors on first and then blend them out just because it does ensure color payoff. Moving on, using the James Charles Morphe palette, I'm going to be taking that kind of burgundy color and on a, I believe it's a 217, I'm just going to be blending this into my crease, going in the same direction I did before, kind of curving it up towards the end of my brow. Then I'm going to be blending that out, making sure not to go over the color that we put there before. Next, I'm going to be using this kind of brownish burgundy color and I'm going to be defining my crease and blending that out using the same 221. A really good tip for blending, in my opinion, would definitely be starting from lightest to darkest. Whenever you want that seamless blend or that smoky look, it's always best to start with a lighter color, then go with a medium, and then the darker shade. Using the Louise Base, I'm going to start off by using a flat brush and stamping that color onto the lid, and I'm going a bit above my lid just because I really want this to be a nice cut crease look and my lid is a little bit smaller. So the best thing to do when that happens is to go above your lid so it can give like a better cut crease look. Whenever I do a cut crease, I always make sure to take my time. So that's why I sped this up a little bit, because trust me, honey, I will cut my crease for 20 minutes if I have to. I'm using the 242 Matte Cosmetics brush. They do not sell this particular brush anymore in this exact style, but any kind of flat brush will do as long as it's super flat. And to start off our rainbow double cut crease, I'm going to be taking this blue and going right underneath the cut crease and following that up with green, and then obviously the other colors of the rainbow. And I'm going to be going right underneath the cut crease, making sure not to disrupt it, and kind of laying the colors side by side and slightly blending them into each other. I know it seems kind of complicated when you first look at it, but honestly when you break it down into steps, it's not really that hard. So I say go for it, boo. You got this. And so for the second cut crease, I'm going to be taking the same 242 brush and really being careful as to stamp that cut crease right underneath the first cut crease to kind of create that double effect. This part definitely took me a minute just because I'm a perfectionist, so I was dedicated and it turned out pretty good. I did go back in afterwards to kind of redefine those colors a little bit, and she came out looking cute, boo. Next, I'm going to be going in with this pale pink shade from the same Morphe palette. I'll be stamping this all over the lid and then using a barrier to create a hot pink wing at the end. And going in with the color Daddy again, I'm going to be going underneath my lower lash line, blending that out and placing this purple color, the deep purple color, underneath that and blending that out as well. To line my eyes, I'm going to be using Feline by MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going into the waterline with that. Then I'm going to finish everything off with some mascara and falsies. I do have a coupon code for these lashes, so if you want to support your girl, make sure you click the link in the description. And by the way, I know my lace is showing on my wig. Mind your business.